What's up guys? Welcome to Unisys weekly chart analysis. So as usual, let's look at the dollar index. So last week estimated that it will continue to fall. So as expected, it has continued to fall. So at a price level that was expected to rebound last week, the price rebounded slightly, but then the price made a continuous decline in the price pattern. So at present, based on technical analysis, the US dollar is still mainly bearish for the time being. So the next bullish price level will be approximately at the trend line at 90.5. And then look at the current price pattern. So we have to wait, then only we can make a judgment based on the new prices. Okay, so next let's look at the AUD USD. So it is estimated that there will be a wave of rise next week. So we can wait for the price to rise to 0.7835 to enter the market, and then we make arbitrage at 0.7540. So as for the stop loss point, so we can put about 30 and 40 pips above it. So total there's about 240 pips that can be arbitrage. So if for those who like to do short-term trading, so we can wait for the price to fall back to 0.7710 again. Then we only enter the market and make a TP at 0.78350. Next, let's look at the pound against the dollar. So last week, it was estimated that the price would fall at 1.3980. So it has fallen by 120 pips since last Friday. So next week, it's estimated that the price will return to 1.3942, and then we can enter the market with a short order again. So we can TP at 1.3680. Next, let's look at the pound against the Swiss franc. So after a wave of decline in early April, they were all hovering and oscillating last week. So we can wait for the price to pull back to 1.2830, and then we enter the market. So as for the stop loss point, so we can put 50 and 60 pips above it. So we can TP partially at 1.2650, and then put our stop loss point at the entry price. For the rest, we can continue to hold the position until 1.2580. Lastly, let's look at the NZD against the Canadian dollar. So after the same wave of decline last week, it's still in a short period. So after when the market opens, we can wait for the price to pull back to 0.9010, and then we enter the market. So same, the stop loss point can be placed 50 to 60 pips above, and then TP can be made at 0.8760, so which is about 240 pips of arbitrage space. Right? So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.